Welcome to our Features Guide overview for Income Manager. Please note that the data presented in this report is based on our demo database, but uses data from Blackboard's Raisers Edge NXT. We have modified contact, address, campaign and donation codes data for this demonstration to protect data privacy and ensure compliance. Whilst today's presentation is based on NXT data, our Income Manager report works with any fundraising CRM or third-party data source. We use dynamic labels to ensure that the filters and titles you see in today's presentation would represent the CRM product you are currently using. Let's get started. Once you've logged into the Gifties platform, we can open our analytics subcategories from the menu panel on the left-hand side of your dashboard. To access our Income Manager report, select Fundraising from our subcategories. We currently have two reports listed, Income Manager and Regular Giving. To open the Income Manager report, click on the thumbnail image. Dependent on the size of your dataset, this may take a moment to load your data and open it. We will work in full screen mode for today's presentation, so let's select full screen from our Actions drop-down button. Now that our report is ready, let's look at our available visuals. Highlighted are our income types by channel. We will see more about income types later, but as you can see, income has been segmented by custom channels. Custom channels were our client's #1 feature request, and we were really happy to implement this feature. Customizing campaigns or appeals by channel, where this information is unavailable in your CRM, is an optional bespoke feature. However, this particular visual will display with unassigned channels if this is something you do not require. In addition to the income broken down by channel, we can also see income broken down by year, quarter, month and day, which we will classify moving forward as a date hierarchy. We also include a donation count line axis, which we can see more clearly when we focus mode our visual. Let's take a moment to do that now. Let's exit focus mode and look at our other available visuals. Next is income type by payment method, which you can also break down by date hierarchy. Another new feature of Income Manager is our donation income by first gift visual. This details income broken down by the first gift received from an individual. We include counts, trend lines for income totals and gifts, and the standard breakdown by date hierarchy. The top 10 campaigns by income is a quick and easy visualization of your best performing campaigns. Like all of our visuals, this will refine your top 10 campaigns as you filter or drill down into the data. Let's take a moment to see how this looks when we click through our years. And finally, we have our income type forecast, which is currently set to forecast for up to 3 years on income, and will also refine your forecast based on filters applied. Please note that this visual is presently limited to income filters. This visual also includes a trend line. Forecasting is a great and easy way to get a snapshot of how your charity's income types are performing. Now that we've taken some time to look at the visuals in our report, let's finish by looking at some of our filter types. First, let's open our filter panel on the left-hand side of our report. This report has a wide range of additional filter capabilities. This includes the ability to filter by income type, channel, campaign, appeal, pay method, and fund. Whilst we won't look at each of these filters today, we are really excited to show you our new income type filter. Taking a moment to see the options available, you can see that we can filter income by anonymous, corporate, and individual types. Let's first take a look at anonymous income type. Let's click on anonymous from our list and close our panel to review our report. So why did we add the ability to anonymously split income by type? Specifically, we wanted to see attributable income when looking at corporate and individual income types. We also wanted to allow future abilities to split income by custom types. Having filtered anonymous income, we can verify that this report has correctly segmented this income. We can review a list of our anonymous records by clicking on our Show Supporters button. We can sort by any column, and even open and review a supporters record from our SmartView product. Let's show you how. Clicking on the web link column opens a new tab, and we can review our supporters records, including donations. As an aside, and for our UK charities, this is a handy feature for our tax claim manager report when self-auditing claims and wanting to see both the gift aid record, and even the declaration image for supporters contained directly with a historical or draft tax claim. We will be releasing a video on that shortly. Let's hide supporters, or we can reset our dashboard to its original state and jump back into our filter panel to quickly show you corporate and individual income types. Let's select the corporate income type and close our filter panel. Again, we can show supporters, filter by a particular year, and even export this list to Excel. Switching back to our panel, let's lastly look at individual income. Of course, you may want to look at individual and anonymous income together, so let's again open our filter panel and multi-select these two income types. And that's it, our new income type filter. We hope you've enjoyed our Income Manager features tour and found it helpful. Whilst today's session focused on the features of our dashboard, to help you understand more about the specific Income Manager features and how this can work for your organization, why not book a demo or drop us a line to discuss? You can also find more information on our website about our CRM-specific reports covering tax claims, gift aid, and regular giving. We are also continually bringing new features to our fundraising dashboards, so please follow or subscribe on LinkedIn or YouTube to stay updated with our latest information. Thanks again for stopping by.